Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be given to you as well.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should have never let you in.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 12 Days for Christmas. It is the last day. Yes, it is day 12. Could y'all believe? Excuse my voice, y'all already know. I'm sick. No, I'm getting over a cold, so that's why I sound like this. If you've been watching my videos this past 12 days, you know that. So without further ado, let's set up the scene for today's Get Glam with me, and I will see you towards the end of the video.
It's Christmas Eve, so it's time to eat some good food, have some good laughs, and spend good quality time with your family. Everyone has their matching pajamas, and all the kids open at least one gift on Christmas Eve. Let's get ready.
So my hair is pretty much already done, and I'm going to the living room, and it's pretty chill this year, so I'm not going to be doing too much of my makeup, but I'm still, you know, the celebrity of the family, so gotta come correct. So yes, again, we are using the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals Morphe palette because this is just an essential palette. At this point, I believe it's an essential palette. You need to get it. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna be trying some new shades that I haven't tried yet. So let's do it.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should have never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Just the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I want you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I met you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like, he's no item, please don't like him, he don't wife him, he one night son. I never listened though, I should've figured though, all the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. You forget you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed. Once you got what you want, nothing was ever the same. And
Okay, so the face is pretty much almost done. I just need to add lashes and this liner that I'm about to do. So if you watched any of my videos, you know I'm always talking about this Juvia's Place brow liner. But this one from, what day was this? Day 10, I'm gonna say. I want to say it was day 10 for this when I used this liner. But this is a beige liner and brown liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the beige like in the inner corner, and then I'm gonna put the brown towards the rest. I see it in my head. I hope it looks good like I visioned it. So these are the swatches. I know it looks really light, which it is really light, but it is more of a beige than a white, because white can look pretty harsh sometimes. So I put it right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but like I see it already. I like this. Oh my God. This eye, this look is so pretty. So unfortunately, this video is over. I know, I'm sad too. Like, what? But if you really liked it, leave me a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like if you like this video. But also, make sure that you will stay tuned for my next following videos going into next year, because I have a special surprise for when I hit 1K subscribers. I'm not going to tell you what that is. I just know. It's a good prize. So do whatever you need to do. Make sure you actually are watching my videos, interacting with me, because I'm not just going to pick anybody because you're a subscriber. But yeah, send my videos to your friends. Send them to your family. Anybody that you know that wants to do their hair, makeup, and likes all things girly and beauty, send it to them. And we can grow this community together. And I'm so excited for this giveaway. So yeah, the closer it gets to the giveaway, I will start a countdown. And yes, there are 3 prizes though, but the main prize, yeah. So see you next year. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed, wonderful Christmas. And that is the end of this video. Bye.